Welcome to all. I am Shakti Priya, Assistant Professor, Commerce Department, Shakti College of Arts and Science Departments. Today we have the discuss about the topic in Internet. What is Internet? The Internet is a global network connecting the millions of users worldwide via many computers network using a simple standard addressing systems. It is that communication protocol. The TCP/IP is the abbreviation into the Transmission Control Protocol and Internet Protocol. That is Internet. So, what is the uses of Internet? So, the Internet is the global network system that can be used more devices now, and that becomes the essential part of our lives. In today the technological area, most of the companies are getting their operations done over the internet. So what is the usage of internet? The internet is a global networking system that can be used in most devices nowadays has become the essential part of our life. In today technological area, most of the companies are getting their operations done over the internet. There are various of uses of internet which the company and the individual and are making the daily task more the productivities and more comfortability. Here we have to discuss the major uses of internet that play off virtual role and daily role. First one, online booking. So online booking is a lot of easier people booking the tickets, bus tickets and trains and flights. So next one, booking in order to trading. So booking order to trading to change their ATM pins, apply for the physical and digital credit cards. So update credit card limits, enable to disable international transaction, track the transactions and many more. Also they can even raise the online complaint and contact the bank and support staff. Apart from this, internet has made it a lot of easier for the people trading stock market. Anywhere people can easily buy, sell or manage stocks online. So next one, cashless transaction are using in internet. Cash card using. These devices are the connected the payment gateway on the internet. So the people can be users of smartphones, internet processing transaction. So then the UPI payment methods are continuously expected to cover the most transactions on the future. So that one as cashless transaction. So next, education. Education is here. What is the purpose uses in internet? So education is the most devices nowadays are connected through the internet. The internet has the availabilities of broad of educational content on any topic which different types. The people can study the relevant topic just by spending the couple of minutes over the internet. So internet search of engine, people quickly find the received study materials, multiple format, such images, videos, documents, helps of elements. They needed to the library, read books, find the deserved information. That all the uses of internet using in education purpose. So next category is research. So what is the research used in internet? What is the purpose? So most of the devices nowadays are connecting through the internet. The internet is availability broad of the educational content, the topic, which is the different types. So people can study the relevant topic just spending the couple minutes over the internet. So directly, indirectly, internet is a search engine help to people quickly find out the relevant studies material. Improvement, uses of the internet, research have the incredible benefits for the researchers. So the only purpose in uses of internet in research. Electronic mail. The purpose of electronic mail. What is the purpose in uses into electronic mail? Starting days or company mails the person sent to the mails, company purpose of using the electronic mail. But nowadays the users in people's, teachers or students using the electronic mail. So electronic mails is one can find the significant uses of internet. So the email can be enabled to foster communication between the people to internet. So using the mail, people can quickly their information, data files such the images, audios, videos, other types of files. The uses of mail has this significantly reduced paper uses, which was the primary source of communication in the older days. So any can have the free email addresses, can be easily communication with their others. This has also reduced the load and the physical mail system, although it's true. So in the purpose and use of electronic mail. Job search. What is the purpose of internet in job search? Certain the period job search in the completed degree and then search of various places. But nowadays internet using the job search. So using in mobile or computer into the search, getting the job is a lot of easier than before. Any persons can view the relevant job information using the internet. Earlier the people had to go through each companies individually, but now your participation was vacant or not. However, the internet enabled the people find the employment sitting home. Internet. Many websites provide the details about job availability in the internet. Once people submit their resumes and website, keep the information about the vacancy through the email. Each will know the company has the website where the companies post about the vacancies companies. So just sitting the home, the people can search, apply for the jobs, can give their interviews and know him result. So easily using job search in the internet. Social networking, the purpose of internet. What is the purpose in social networking using in internet? Social networking sites have connected the people around the world. Social networking is an essential part of the internet with the help of the internet. So people have got of ability form this social groups where they can share the information, ideas about anything. The social networking platform is the largest source of content, covering everything from the information content entertainment. What is the uses and purpose of internet in entertainment? Entertainment is the most effective of entertainment. They have various options available on the internet. The people can try there, watching movies, playing online games, listening to songs. The internet has to also make it easy people downloading entertainment. Items to their local storage. So using the internet, also the videos, sharings, pictures, songs online and downloads. So nowadays people can watch the live TV and sports and internet using the entertainment purpose in the internet. E-commerce. So e-commerce, electronic commerce. So the internet is not just limited ordering the things. It can also use it to sell product. A commerce website, the business and individual to sell the product. Product purchased by the e-commerce companies, store, warehouse, packages and the brand packaging distributed themselves. The can refers to the information about the product, answer the customers' questionnaires and provide the online payment options to the customers. So all these are possible through the internet. Next one, file transfer. What is the purpose use of internet in file transfers? One mail to another file transfers, one PDF to another file transfers, any file transfers between the system or devices easily. as a exchange over the internet. So FTP mainly beneficial when the large of file need to transfer because of always sharing files limited size. So the best way to exchange information between the stockholders. This methods is still quite popular and the uses of file transfer into the internet. We have discussed about advertising. What is the purpose uses of internet in advertising? So because of most people are uses the internet, the best promoting something or advertising, there are options for paid promotion as well as free promotions. So there are many advertising platforms on the internet help to promote product business. Advertising. So advertising, the most people uses of the internet, product other related to website using banners, videos, email, etc. etc. They charge for this advertising according to distance. So keywords and audience, etc. However, one can also use of social media platform to create the online groups or communication and advertising freely. The person using of internet. Thank you.